Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. This video I'll be making vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's. Let's get right into it. Alright, so first I am going to crack some eggs. Just, add some eggs to the rice. I love eggs in my rice. What is fried rice without eggs? Right here, I'm just scrambling up the eggs, and I can't have my eggs naked. Like, I have to put some type of seasoning in them in order to eat them. So that's just what I'm doing right here. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, so next I'm going to be chopping up an onion. So I actually got this method from Rachel Ray. She cuts the onion on both sides of the head, and then she horizontally puts 2 slits and then vertically slits down the onion and then just cuts it. It makes it into little tiny cubes, and I feel like this is a really fun way to cut your onions. And after you do it once, you'll never forget it on how to do it again. And I'm no chef, so please don't come for me on my hand placement while I'm cutting. Thank you. So I like to have all my ingredients together on a plate, and that's just what I'm doing right here. It's just, getting it set and ready for me to actually cook the entire thing. So I have an obsession with cutting garlic. I love garlic. I feel like if you don't cook with garlic, are you even really cooking? I think the 3 things that I think are necessary for cooking are onions, peppers, garlic, and then the seasonings are garlic powder, pepper, and I don't know, I'm a new Creole seasoning fan. Alright, so I just happen to have some parsley in my fridge. I honestly thought it was cilantro, but me and my boyfriend had a whole argument on it being parsley or cilantro. I thought it was parsley. He was like, it's cilantro, dude. It's in the cilantro section. Just get it. I was like, this doesn't look right. And of course, like always, I was right. You saw that transition? Alright, so I love these pans. My mom actually got them from Amazon. If you are interested in getting these pans, I will link them down below. But right now I'm just adding some pan to the pan and then adding my seasoned eggs. Now I do know I already have a fried rice video up on my channel, but this one's just Trader Joe's, honey. That one's from scratch. This one will take you less than 10 minutes to make. I promise you. This video isn't even 10 minutes long. Like, it's easy, it's quick, it's good, it's filling, protein packed, and you really can't mess up fried rice. So right here, I'm taking the same pan, just adding some butter and more oil. Trying to get it greased up for all my ingredients. So I like to put the onions in, probably let them caramelize for 1 or 2 minutes. And then I'll add the garlic until I can actually like smell it, until it's fragrant, just so each vegetable is cooked in the way I like it. And then after the base vegetables are cooked, I will add the bag of Trader Joe's fried rice. It is frozen when it comes out of the bag, but it tastes like it was just made. I like to add a little bit more soy sauce just to make sure it's fresh, like right here. To make sure, you know, I'm getting the wanted fried rice taste that I want. And look, it's just, the color is coming back. It's vibrant, it's beautiful, it's colorful. So now I'm just adding some extra spices that I want. And there's no measuring here. I'm just adding what I feel is right. Going with my instincts. Cinnamon, game changer. You gotta try it. You gotta do it. Tahini, you gotta do it. You just gotta do it. You just gotta add it and just go with it. Adding cinnamon though, game changer. Of course, sesame seeds. Is it an Asian meal without sesame seeds? No. So then we mix, make sure everything is well mixed. You can't tell me that don't look good. Like, this is the meal itself. Oh, and I forgot my garlic powder. Can't do that. Love garlic. Just add that, mix. Mixy, mix. And now we'll add our parsley. Make sure you get all of it just to add some color, even though it's already colorful. And we just mix. So here's the plating. Yes, it was so good. I did around 3 scoops. Of course, I went back for seconds because it's amazing. I was the only one eating this. Also, don't add sriracha. It made it too spicy. I just left it in the video, but don't do that. Don't add the sriracha unless you want to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like. Bye guys, I love you.